What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Murano Smart Key Remote Fob. This Nissan Murano key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. And we can just set that to the side for now. Now what I'm going to do is grab my screwdriver and I'm going to hold my key fob with the buttons facing down. Then if we take a look at the bottom of it, there's these two little notches, one right here and one right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch, make sure it's all the way in there, and then I'm just going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. Come over here and same thing. And as I do that, you can see it starts to split the shell apart. Go ahead and pull it the rest of the way off with your fingers like that. And in the back half, we see our battery right here. I'm just going to use my screwdriver to get under the edge of it and help me get it out of that little holder. Now we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. And if you look in this holder, you see one side has this little metal piece right here. That's the side I'm going to start in first. So I'll kind of tip it in like this. You can kind of see there how I'm doing it. Tip it in there like that edge first, and then snap it down. Now we'll put these two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.